Give me a jaws, I said, crush that.
Thank you. We're gonna send him home. Bravo. You saved the money. See? Very clever. Now we're gonna show you in action. But you have to fix it.
Close your eyes and take a nap. Come on. Abracadabra.
Wow. Woo, we have a sleeping bird here. Thank you very much, Jordan, for your acting. And we're gonna send him home. Let's say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Thank you, Jordan.
Plectus parrots, and these birds are native to Solomon Island, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. These birds can live up to 30 to 45 years. Primarily eat fruits and vegetables, just like us.
Yummy! Give them a big round of applause. And don't forget, you can take a photograph of them after the show.